Hello everyone, and welcome to another Emily Illustrator review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Arteza 48 count Inkonic pens. They come in this handy little tin, which is great for keeping them organized. They also come with two plastic trays which have finger holes on the side. Just lift up. You have a wide range of colors. There's the top and there's the bottom. They are a water-based ink, so you don't need to worry about them bleeding through. Each pen comes with the number right here. This one, for instance, is an A180. There's Arteza here. The pen nib is a 0.4 millimeter. So you can see here the size of the nib. So it's nice and small, perfect for those teeny tiny little details if you're working in something like Lost Ocean or even postcards, which is what I have for our example today. This is one of the Johanna Basford Lost Ocean postcards, and if anybody knows anything about Lost Ocean, it's that it's got some pretty fine details, and so you can see I was able to add quite a bit of color and depth to it with using only these pens. I'm also going to be swatching these for you so you can see how bright and vibrant all of the colors are. And like I said before, they have a wide range, so you can you'll have, plenty of options for whichever page you happen to be coloring or whatever you happen to be using them for. One of the things I wanted to mention also is that the barrel is a triangular barrel, which makes it quite easy to hold. So now we're going to go ahead, we've done the swatches, so we're going to go ahead and draw a couple little things too so you can see some techniques for using these also. Okay, so we're going to start with just our standard black pen. We're going to draw a little flower here. And we're going to go ahead and color this. And you can see a couple different techniques that we can use. So we're going to go ahead and use a couple different colors here. We're going to start with, this is the A131. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to do some little dots here. Then we're going to take the A108 blue, and we're going to add a few more. And you see it's just a little bit lighter. this is just one way I like to use them. You know, everybody kind of, you know, you'll practice with them and figure out what works best for you. It's just kind of one fun technique that you can use with it. Now we're going to grab a 117. There you go. That is even lighter. Giving it a little bit of texture. Now we have these leaves, and we can do a couple of things with them. We're gonna try a couple of things. So we're going to grab our A185, there it is, and our A111, and our A105, which are a dark green, a light green, and a yellow, okay? We're gonna do two different styles on these leaves so you can kind of get an idea. You know what, let's do a little black line here, black line there, yeah, just for the middle of the leaf there. And this is just, you know, a simple little flower, just different things you can try. Okay, so for this bottom one, we're gonna do a little bit of cross hatching here. These are just, like I said, these are just different ideas that you can use other than just filling in the space if you wanted to try for a little bit more texture. Okay, so there's that dark green, the A185. Then we're going to use the lighter green, the A111. We're kind of filling that in just a little bit with the same kind of cross hatching. Okay, then you can take the A105, the yellow, you're doing the same, just kind of filling it in just a little bit. Or on the other side, we'll grab our A185 again, the darker green, get some just straight lines, and we're kind of just filling it in a little bit here. Okay, then we're going to grab our lighter green, the A111, just like so. Okay, and drag a few lines up here. Alright, it's just a little bit lighter. And now we're going to grab our A105. Okay. There's a couple different ways to color it. And that's, like I said, it's just, you know, a little bit different than your standard just fill in the lines. If you wanted to try a few different textures, you've got, you know, some lines, you got some cross hatching, you got some dots. And just for the heck of it, because I don't want to leave it blank, we're going to fill this in, and you see I'm coloring it pretty much all the way there. And that was A169, it's kind of a brown, and then this is A156, kind of a lighter brown. We're gonna just fill that in. There we go. Our little fine liner flower, we used these ones here. I'll line them up so you can see. There we go. Just a few of these colors here, just for a couple little techniques, just to give you a little bit of an idea of some other things that you can do with these pens. Again, this has been a review of the Arteza 48 count Inkonic premium pens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.